Inventory valuation can make or break a company. It is absolutely essential that the valuation method you choose aligns with the needs of your specific business and the industry it serves. In this video, we will introduce one valuation type known as Last In, First Out Valuation Method, or LIFO for short. Let's jump in. LIFO is a method used for cost flow assumption purposes in the cost of goods sold calculation. The LIFO method of inventory valuation assumes the cost of most recent products or last-in products of a company's inventory have been sold first. The costs paid for those recent products are the ones used in the calculation. In other words, LIFO is the opposite of FIFO. Much like FIFO, there is not necessarily a relationship with the actual physical movement of inventory and the accounting assumption. So, why would a company want to use LIFO? Remember, always speak with your accountant or CPA before deciding on a valuation method. They will give you the best advice for your specific needs. Sometimes the cost to produce or purchase goods increases. When these periods of inflation occur, LIFO may be a good option. While LIFO may make your products decrease on paper, this also means that you will not pay as much in taxes. With that being said, if the inflationary period is going to be a long one, it may be beneficial to reduce profits and pay less in taxes. Remember, we are not recommending what valuation method you should use. This should be done by a licensed accountant, CPA, or accounting attorney if they are qualified. Now, let's look at an example of LIFO to help us understand a little more about this method of valuation. Let's say we purchase 100 items for $5 each, and 100 more items are purchased next for $10 each. We now have 200 items with a total value of $1,500 in inventory. Now let's say we sell 20 items for $20 each. LIFO would assign the cost of the last 20 items resold at $10 each. Because we are using LIFO, the cost of the first 20 items is $10 each. And this means our cost of goods sold is $200 and we have a remaining value of $1,300 in inventory. After 100 items total were sold, the new cost of the item would become $5 only if no new items were purchased. One thing to note about LIFO is that it is only permitted in the United States under rules that are set by GAAP, or Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. And that's it, LIFO. Now let's make our minds think for a second with a little challenge. If we purchase 20 items at $15 each in month 1, then in month 2 we purchase 20 more items at $20 each, and finally in month 3 we purchase 20 more items at $25 each, and we sell 15 items. What would the cost be under the LIFO method and why? We look forward to hearing your answers, and we'll see you in the next lecture.